Today I'm headed in with my new hiking pal to the Fundy Trail, where we will take a short trail called the Macumber Brook Trail that joins to the Fundy Foot Path. We will continue on the Fundy Foot Path to the Little Salmon River, where we plan to camp overnight. I'm excited about this trip. It's my first overnight backpacking trip and my first time on the Fundy Foot Path. I was in awe of Little Salmon. Little Salmon River. Water's super low. We walked across that little spot right there. Now we're just trying to pick our campsite, which could be up there at that point or in a little bit behind it. After deciding to pitch camp at the head of Little Salmon River, we put our water shoes on and headed upriver to find the famous Eye of the Needle, a slim, narrow area carved out of the gorge from the water. We zigzagged up the river in and out of the water as we followed it. This was amazing to look up and wonder how many years this took the water to carve these rocks like this. We are now at the Eye of the Feels good. Izzy thinks it feels good. Look at this. Eye of the Needle. Oh, there's a deep spot right there. As we worked our way back down the river to our campsite, you could see the fog rolling in. When we arrived at our tents, we decided to move our campsite just in around the corner for a bit more shelter and to get out of the cold, wind, and the fog that was coming in with the tide. We got resituated and made our evening lunch and hung our bear bags. In the evening, we had our first sight of wildlife, a beaver. Morning. Look at this. Mist blowing up over the hills. It was a bit foggy there this morning, but it's clearing out. Beautiful. Not gonna lie, I'm not looking forward to this climb up because it was a long way down and steep. This is beautiful, silent. We made a last-minute decision to take another trail to the Walton Glen Gorge. This is the gorge that we walked through to get to the Eye of the Needle. This is also the trail that most tourists would take when they're coming to the Fundy Trail Parkway. I have to say, it was beautiful looking out over the gorge, but it was nowhere near as beautiful as our adventure that we had just had. Heading home, the views driving through the Fundy Parkway Trail speaks for itself. But we had decided our day was not over yet. We stopped at the famous Sea Caves in St. Martin's and then grabbed some fries at the nearby restaurant. The Sea Caves are a must-see. It's amazing what our high tides here in the Bay of Fundy are capable of. I just cannot wait to see what my next adventure will be, but I'm pretty sure it will involve the coast of our Bay of Fundy.